This is simultaneous equations that involve number base. When a question is in this form, you discover that the x and y, they are in the base form. You also this equation 2, x, y, they are in the base form. So in solving a simultaneous equation that involves the number base, the first thing you are going to do, recall, these are in base 10, base 10. So you make sure that you convert every of the equation to exact base 10. So when you now convert it to base 10, it is now then you're able to get the values of x and y. Now, for finding the value of x and y, find x and y. So as I've said earlier, let's try to convert. Let's convert it to, so we have, in converting 31, it will be 33 times s raised to power 1 plus 1 times s raised to power 0 plus 2 times y raised to power 1 plus 0 times y raised to power 0 is equal to 23. How? Are you able to see? 0, 1 is 0, 1. As you are convert, if it is 3 digit, 0, 1, 2. That is how we convert it. So therefore we have 3x plus 1 times 1, because from the laws of indices, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 will give us 1 plus 2y plus, by the time you multiply anything in the word by 0, it surely give you 0. So 0 is equal to 23. So we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 23 minus 1. So we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. We call this our equation 3. We call it equation 3 because we are able to get equation 1, equation 2. So this will surely give us equation 3. Now we continue again to convert the second equation to base 10, or in base 10. It's only the 5 that is in base 10. So let's convert 23 base x minus 11 base y is equal to 5 base 10. So let's convert it. We have 2 times s raised to power 1 plus 3 times s raised to power 0 minus, please, that is where we are able to do this today. We are trying to avoid a common error in solving an equation like this. What is a common error is that many people will find it difficult not to put an open bracket here in by solving this. Surely there's going to be a little mistake might occur, and that is why we are solving a question of this form. So we have 1 times y raised to power 1 plus y times y raised to power 0 is equal to 5. So therefore we have 2x plus 3. Recall that anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So minus onto, this is y plus 1 is equal to 5. So we have a 2x plus 3 minus y minus 1 is equal to 5. So now we now try to make the value easy. We have 2x minus y. This plus this we have plus 2 is equal to 5. So let's try to have another page. So therefore we have 2x minus y is equal to 5 minus 2. So we have a 2x minus y is equal to 3. So we call this one equation 4. So let's combine equation 3 and 4 together. Let's combine 3 and 4. We have 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. We have 2x minus y is equal to 3. So this is exactly where we are going. This is exactly the simultaneous equation, the elementary form. Now we have two ways of solving a question of this. we have substitution method, and we also have elimination method. So at this point in time, let's try to apply elimination method. How do you do that? Let's multiply this by 1. Let's multiply this by 2. Somebody has asked me this question in my YouTube channel, that how do I know that I must multiply this one by 2, I must multiply this one by 1? The reason is this, for you to avoid the mistake next times. The reason is this: I want this 2, I want this y to be the same. So when the coefficient, what do you understand by coefficient? Coefficient is a number multiply the variables. So therefore, I want the coefficient to be the same. So the moment is now the same. I will either subtract or I add. My own is to eliminate it out of the game. So to bring a very good game changer. So therefore we now rewrite it again. We have 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. This one we have a 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. You're able to see he has given us, this is a very good game changer. You are able to change the game to better things now, because by the time we add plus 2y minus 2y together, it will surely turn to 0. So the moment it turns to 0, we have a 7x is equal to 28. So that is exactly what we want. So therefore, we make x as a subject of the formula. So therefore, our values of the x is now 4. So we go back again to find the values of y from any of these equations. You can be able to pick equation 4 that says that 2x minus y is equal to 3. And we are able to know the value of 4 of x. We have a 2 onto 4 minus y is equal to 3. We have 8 minus y is equal to 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to y. Y is equal to 5. So if y is equal to 5, so the values of x, as we have seen from the equation, we have to find the value of x and y. Our x now give us 4 and y give us 5. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of these very good videos of explanations of every of your topics that you believe. Moreover, if you even have many topics for us to solve, you can send it to us in our comment sections and we're able to solve it for you and explain better. Once again, try to share this video if you see it is highly educative to you. So thanks for watching this video.